I will show you how to install MCP library in Python so that you can start making your own MCP server. In Google, you have to type PYPI press enter. Then you have to enter in this website, click on this link MCP here. You will come on this page and you can see that the latest version is 1.17.0. You have to click here on this copy command. Now in Windows, type cmd to open a command prompt and just right click here. Now press enter. This will do the installation and it can take hardly 1 minute. So the installation has been completed. Now I will close this command prompt to check whether it has been installed or not. I'll just go down and take an example to import. So let's come here on this quick start. I'm going to copy this from here. I'll go to a Jupyter notebook here. I'll paste it to make sure that it has been installed and the imports are working. Here you can see that from mcp.server.fastmcp import fastmcp, it is working. And let's also create a demo server here. So I'll just copy it from here and paste it here to check, and we can see that this command is also working. It has created a demo server for us. This is how you can easily install Python library of MCP and start making your own servers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.